Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me on another Vlogmas video. So today I am going to be talking about this look, okay? On the last few videos, I've been getting so many compliments, which I'm so grateful for, and so many questions on my go-to soft, neutral, glam look that I've been wearing on most of my videos for Vlogmas. And so I'm going to share with you guys all of the products, the techniques that I use to get this look that literally takes me about 15 minutes to do every day. And that is being completely honest. It's all about using products that are reliable. You know what I mean? Products that are going to do what they say they are going to do. If you guys are interested in seeing how I always achieve this very soft focus, kind of like glam, natural-ish look, then go ahead and stay tuned. As always, okay, you thought I forgot, but I didn't forget. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. It's free, and you are going to be joining our beautiful family on YouTube because we're pretty amazing. We're pretty cool. So join our family. Also turn your post notifications on. Every single time I upload a video, you need your notifications on so that YouTube can let you know your girl has a new video. So turn that on, give it a thumbs up, and also leave your comments down below. I love chatting with you guys. Let me know what your fragrance of the day is, and let's get to it. So today we're really up close and personal. I'm probably sure you guys can see my pores and everything, but I wanted to do this in natural lighting and really close so you guys can see exactly what I do for this look, which is like super duper easy. I promise you, every single time I do this very natural look, it takes me less than 15 minutes. And I'm not gonna give a lot of instructions because it is to the point, honey. So first thing I'm gonna do is take a primer. I do like to put a hydrating primer, more so something with a luminous finish. This is from Mercier right over here. And why I do this is because it gives the skin a really nice glow underneath the makeup, makes your skin look absolutely flawless, but I like it under the makeup so it doesn't look like overly dewy, shiny, metallic. You know, you still want it to look on the natural side. So under the foundation is what I've been doing in terms of highlighting my skin. So just like that, I didn't put too much, but look at this. Oh, honey. So for foundation, I rotate a lot, but right now I'm using the McGrath Labs foundation, and I've had this for about 2 weeks now, and I like it. So I take about 2 pumps, just about that much of foundation. I'm gonna go in with a brush. You can definitely use a sponge. Taking my Hourglass brush, which is literally my favorite. You guys see me using it all the time. And I'm stippling it on. I am gonna put on the screen all the shades that I am using for anyone who's interested. But for the purpose of the video, which is to show you that, you know, creating a nice put together look doesn't take an hour. I'm not giving you guys all the details on like the actual product, but more so the technique that I use. And obviously you want to apply foundation that is reliable. You know it's going to go on seamless and flawless. And this one does it for me. So just applying that like so. Look at that, baby. Skin still looks like skin. I'm going to take some concealer. I'm going to be using the 2 Fenty Beauty concealers. Like I normally use these 2 or the L'Oreal concealers. But for this video, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty, and I have the shade 300 and 330. So 300 is a brightening shade. I like it because obviously it highlights under the eyes. So I do about that much, like that. Sometimes I'll do like the forehead and chin, not always, but there we go. And then I take 300 to balance everything off because I don't want it to look too dramatically light on those areas. So I do about that much under my eyes, and then everything else kind of balances it off on its own. I have been using this little guy over here, which is from Benefit. It is like their pomade in the shade 4.5, and I'm taking this Anastasia brush, dipping in there. Now I don't do too much to my eyebrows because I like to keep them quite on the natural side, but I like a full brow. Naturally they are full. Are they misshapen? Absolutely. And I'm just gonna go under here and apply that like so. So I mainly focus on the areas where it's very, very sparse or like bold, you know, like bold, bald, bald. So over here, I don't have a lot of hair. I'm doing very light strokes. Again, a pencil is a lot faster if you are a beginner at makeup. I'm just using this because I really like the way it goes on. It goes on really, really soft. And this color is like a perfect match for my brow. Now I'm gonna blend out that concealer. And where's my brush? Where's my brush? Oh, here we are. Okay, here we are, guys. I'm taking that same foundation brush. First, I'm gonna buff out that forehead highlight like that. Again, use products that are reliable, that you already know are gonna work. That's what's gonna make your makeup routine flow super fast, right? So just like that. See, gone, poof. It's a good concealer, not too thick, not too heavy on the skin, easy to blend out, especially this brush. She's so good. Okay. I'm gonna blend out under the eyes also. So when I blend, you guys can see I do this dabbing motion right there. Oh, I love concealer. Look at that. I just wake up. Like, I look so much more alive and awake and bright. You know, the under eye bags are gone. So I do apply my concealer on my eyelids also to cancel out any discoloration and like veins and stuff like that. And it really just kind of opens up your eyes a lot more. And I take that down just and pull it up. This is going to give you more of like a lifted look. So done that side. And let's go on to the other side. My Laura Mercier translucent powder. This baby over here, I've been using her for years and I absolutely love it. This is in the shade Honey. It's the newest shade and I'm obsessed. Taking this little pointed brush here. I do set my under eye because they will crease. Okay, no matter what concealer, I will set it slightly, even if it's a tiny little bit. Tap off that excess powder so it doesn't look too heavy under the eyes. And I just pat that in, just like that, where the pores are. See, takes away that shine and it makes it look a little bit more natural under the eyes, right? If it was super shiny, it would just look too makeup-y. But you also don't want it to look super powdery. And then sometimes I'll do my smile line, taking my bronzer. This is the Physicians Butter Bronzer. You guys have heard me talk about it all of the time because it's pretty much my go-to bronzer. I'm taking this big fluffy brush. This is the kind of brush that I like to use for my bronzer. Look at that. Yeah, talking too much. And I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm being very light-handed with that bronzer when I apply it. I'm not really like digging it into my skin. And I like to apply bronzer on the outer perimeters of my face because that's where we naturally tan. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not so much contouring. I am tanning up the skin. Naturally, it's going to create a shadow. So your face is gonna look a little bit slimmer in those areas, which I'm fine with. I mean, if I can get rid of this little chin right here, I am good to go, sister. So blush, you guys have been commenting on my blush in the last couple of videos and this is it. This is the reason why my blush has been popping. Is it focusing? This is from Wonder Beauty and I am obsessed with this blush. It's the Double Date tone. It does have like a 2-in-1 where you can use like a glossy section. I just use the blush. I apply it. Look at it's like this beautiful rosy tone. It already adds a glow on the cheeks. Oh, I love it. And I am definitely a blush kind of girl. I will apply a ton of blush and I'm fine with it. Look at that. And it's so easy to blend. Like you just kind of tap it on that area and it starts to blend out and gives you like a flush, but like with a glow. The eyes are looking a little bit ashy, a little bit boring. So what I like to do is I take my bronzer, okay? Because we don't have time to do all this eyeshadow business, right? I take my bronzer, I'm taking this Mercier pointed brush right over here that is magic to blend. And I go all over my lids and apply some bronzer. This is just gonna add warmth on my eyes, make it look like I have a little something something without doing all the eyeshadow. You know what I mean? Like, no one has time to be doing like, you know, half an hour of eyeshadow blending, a cut crease and all that stuff. Unless you have a special occasion to go to. Next spot. Okay. To intensify my lashes, I grab an eyeshadow that is dark. So the only one that I have right here is this black one over here that has some sparkle to it, but the sparkles don't really come out under my eyes, so I still use it. And what I do is I stamp it right on my lash line. You guys can see that? Right on my lash line. This just creates a shadow and allows your lashes to look a little bit fuller. Kind of opens up your eyes more. You guys see the difference there? And this takes me literally 2 seconds. See, you just kind of stamp it. And the thinner your brush is, the easier this will be for you. So I'm just using this one because I'm used to doing this technique. So they match. That's it. That's it, honey. And then I'm going to go in with some mascara. I love mascara. I tend to mix a ton of my mascaras. So I'm going to be using these two today. So Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. And then I have the Roller Lash mascara from Benefit. So why do I use different mascaras? Ones give me more volume. The other ones give me more length. The other ones give me more curl. So you kind of just customize how you want your lashes to look. So I'm taking this one for more of that volume look. Now I'm going to go in with the Roller Lash. You guys can see I got a little mascara on my eyelids, but that's okay. I'm just going to leave it there, and then I'm going to brush it off after. I hope this mirror is not blocking. No. Yeah, this mascara from Benefit, I like that it separates the lashes nicely and adds a curl. So that's what I do to remove that mascara that I got on my eyelids right there. She cute. Okay, now I'm gonna do my lips. My lip combo that you guys always compliment me on. Where is she? Right here. This is the combo, my go-to. So we have Mahogany lip liner from MAC Cosmetics right over here. Brushed oil infused lip gloss from Bobbi Brown. I just have a little bit of lip balm on, but I'm gonna line my lips like so. The key with a nude lip, if you are my skin tone or darker, I know I have ladies that are like, I can never find a good nude lip, is making a combo. You want a lip liner that is a few shades darker than your skin tone and your lip color, and then you can make any nude lip work for you, trust me. And important thing is the undertone of your lip liner and your lipstick. You want them to mesh. These both have a warm undertone, so they're gonna go together. So those are the key things you want to think about when creating your nude lip combo. This gloss is one of my favorite formulas. So good, like so glossy, comfortable, creamy, not sticky at all. And this color is everything. There we go. And I do go over the lip liner to make sure everything's blended and it's not a harsh line. And that's it, guys. We are absolutely done with the makeup look. That's how fast and easy it is to create that like easy breezy, go-to, everyday kind of look that's very minimalistic but also very put together. Like, Anyways, that is it. I'm gonna show you guys my scent of the day, Serge Lutens. This is a yummy, warm, smoky vanilla. Oh my God, it's one of my favorite vanillas. It's so good. It's definitely more of that like intoxicating vanilla scent. It's really, really delicious, really beautiful. A little bit of smoky, a little bit of woody in the background. It's like Maison Replica by the fireplace if it was sweeter and if it had more vanilla. Kind of like that vibe, and I absolutely love the packaging. So that is it for this look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new and cool today. If you guys want me to do more of these like to the point kind of tutorials, more everyday kind of looks, you want a video on my lip combos, and let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching another Vlogmas video. Don't forget to leave your comments down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on another one. Ciao.